Have you ever dreamed of getting rich quickly? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of money alchemy, a concept that promises to transform your financial landscape in record time. But what exactly is money alchemy? Simply put, it's the art of turning your financial resources into wealth through strategic thinking and smart investments. This idea is not just a whimsical fantasy. It's a practical approach that can lead to significant financial gains if executed correctly. Imagine being able to unlock the secrets of wealth building and watching your bank account grow faster than you ever thought possible. The allure of money alchemy lies in its potential for rapid transformation, making it an exciting topic for anyone looking to elevate their financial status. But remember, while the idea of quick riches is enticing, it's essential to approach this journey with a clear strategy and a solid understanding of money management. This is where the principles of financial education, as championed by Robert Kiyosaki, come into play. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial literacy, teaching us that understanding how money works is crucial for building wealth. By applying his principles, you can navigate the complexities of investments and make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. So if you're ready to explore the world of money alchemy and discover how to turn your financial dreams into reality, stay tuned. The journey to financial transformation is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. Understanding money alchemy. Money alchemy is a captivating concept that blends the ancient art of alchemy with modern financial strategies. At its core, money alchemy symbolizes the transformation of basic financial resources into substantial wealth, much like how ancient alchemists sought to turn lead into gold. This metaphorical significance highlights the potential for individuals to reshape their financial destinies through knowledge, creativity, and strategic action. Historically, figures like Nicholas Flamel and Paracelsus were renowned for their alchemical pursuits, seeking to unlock the secrets of nature and wealth. While their quests were often shrouded in mystery and myth, the essence of their work can be paralleled with today's financial innovators. Just as these alchemists experimented with elements to create something valuable, modern entrepreneurs and investors are constantly seeking new ways to leverage their resources for financial gain. Their stories remind us that the journey to wealth is often filled with trial and error, but the rewards can be transformative. In the context of money alchemy, transforming your financial mindset is crucial for rapid wealth accumulation. This involves shifting from a scarcity mentality to one of abundance, where opportunities are seen rather than obstacles. By embracing a mindset that values learning, adaptability, and strategic risk-taking, you can unlock your potential for financial success. Ultimately, understanding money alchemy is about recognizing that wealth creation is not just about the money itself, but also about the mindset and strategies you employ. With the right approach, you can turn your financial dreams into reality, just as the alchemists of old sought to create gold from base materials. The 60-day wealth building plan. Are you ready to take charge of your financial future? In just 60 days, you can set yourself on a path to achieving your financial goals with a structured plan. Let's break down this timeline into actionable steps that will guide you toward wealth building success. First, start by setting clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve in the next 60 days? Whether it's saving a specific amount, paying off debt, or starting an investment, having defined objectives will give you direction. Write these goals down and keep them visible to remind yourself of your purpose. Next, divide your 60 days into 4 two-week segments. In the first 2 weeks, focus on assessing your current financial situation. Create a budget, track your expenses, and identify areas where you can cut back. This foundational step is crucial for understanding where your money is going and how you can redirect it toward your goals. In the following 2 weeks, prioritize saving and debt reduction. Set a target for how much you want to save and establish a plan to pay down any outstanding debts. This disciplined approach will help you build a solid financial base. During the next 2 weeks, explore investment opportunities. Research different options that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or mutual funds, take the time to educate yourself. Finally, in the last 2 weeks, review your progress. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and adjust your plan as needed. By adopting a disciplined approach and consistently tracking your progress, You'll be well on your way to transforming your financial landscape in just 60 days. Smart money management techniques. Effective money management is essential for anyone looking to build wealth, and the principles inspired by Robert Kiyosaki can guide you on this journey. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of asset building, cash flow management, and smart investment strategies as foundational elements for financial success. First, let's talk about asset building. Kiyosaki advocates for acquiring assets that generate income, such as real estate, stocks, or businesses. Instead of focusing solely on earning a paycheck, shift your mindset to seek opportunities that will create passive income streams. This approach not only increases your wealth, but also provides financial security. Next, cash flow management is crucial. Understanding the difference between assets and liabilities is key to maintaining a positive cash flow. Create a budget that tracks your income and expenses, ensuring that you allocate funds toward your assets rather than liabilities. This disciplined budgeting will help you maximize your wealth potential. When it comes to investment strategies, Kiyosaki encourages taking calculated risks. Educate yourself about various investment options and consider diversifying your portfolio to mitigate risks. Start small if you're new to investing, and gradually increase your investments as you gain confidence and knowledge. Lastly, never underestimate the importance of financial education and continuous learning. Stay informed about market trends, investment opportunities, and personal finance strategies. Read books, attend workshops, and engage with financial communities to enhance your understanding. By implementing these smart money management techniques, you can take control of your financial future and work toward achieving your wealth-building goals. Remember, the journey to financial success is ongoing, and the more you learn, the more empowered you become. Overcoming financial obstacles. The pursuit of quick wealth can be an exciting journey, but it often comes with its fair share of challenges. One of the most significant hurdles individuals face are psychological barriers, such as fear and limiting beliefs. Fear of failure can paralyze you, preventing you from taking necessary risks or seizing opportunities. Limiting beliefs like thinking you're not capable of achieving financial success can also hold you back. To overcome these barriers, it's essential to recognize and challenge these negative thoughts. Replace them with positive affirmations and visualize your success to build confidence. Another common challenge is procrastination, which can derail your wealth-building efforts. To combat this, break your financial goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Create a daily or weekly action plan that outlines specific steps you can take toward your goals. Setting deadlines for these tasks can also help you stay accountable and motivated. Celebrate small wins along the way to maintain your enthusiasm and momentum. Additionally, cultivating a growth mindset is crucial for overcoming setbacks. Understand that failures are part of the learning process and can provide valuable lessons. Instead of viewing obstacles as roadblocks, see them as opportunities for growth. Resilience is key. When faced with challenges, remind yourself of your goals and the reasons behind your financial journey. By addressing psychological barriers, combating procrastination, and fostering a growth mindset, you can navigate the obstacles that come with the pursuit of quick wealth. Embrace the journey, stay motivated, and remember that every step you take brings you closer to your financial aspirations. Real-life success stories. In the world of money alchemy, there are countless inspiring examples of individuals who have achieved quick wealth through innovative strategies and a determined mindset. These success stories resonate with many, showcasing that financial transformation is possible for anyone willing to put in the effort. One notable example is Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. Starting with just $5,000 in savings, Blakely identified a gap in the market for comfortable shapewear. By leveraging her creativity and persistence, she turned her idea into a billion-dollar company. Blakely's success illustrates the power of recognizing opportunities and taking calculated risks, key principles of money alchemy. Another inspiring story is that of Grant Cardone, a real estate mogul and motivational speaker. Cardone faced significant financial challenges early in his career, but he transformed his situation by focusing on sales and investing in real estate. He emphasizes the importance of cash flow management and continuous learning, which allowed him to build a multi-million-dollar portfolio. His journey teaches us that resilience and a commitment to education can lead to substantial financial gains. Then there's the story of Barbara Corcoran, who turned a $1,000 loan into a real estate empire. Corcoran's success stemmed from her ability to network and market herself effectively. She embraced the idea of leveraging relationships to create wealth, demonstrating that connections can be just as valuable as capital. These real-life success stories highlight diverse paths to quick wealth through money alchemy. By analyzing the strategies these individuals used, viewers can learn valuable lessons and apply similar principles in their own financial journeys. Remember, with the right mindset and approach, you too can achieve your financial aspirations. As we wrap up our exploration of achieving wealth quickly through money alchemy, let's recap the key strategies we discussed. First, we emphasize the importance of setting clear financial goals and creating a structured plan to guide your journey. By breaking down your objectives into actionable steps, you can maintain focus and track your progress effectively. Next, we delved into smart money management techniques inspired by Robert Kiyosaki, highlighting the significance of asset building, cash flow management, and continuous financial education. These principles are essential for transforming your financial landscape and maximizing your wealth potential. We also addressed common obstacles, such as psychological barriers and procrastination, and provided strategies to overcome them. Cultivating a growth mindset and resilience in the face of setbacks can empower you to navigate challenges and stay motivated on your path to financial success. Finally, we shared inspiring real-life success stories that demonstrate how individuals have achieved quick wealth through innovative thinking and determination. These examples serve as a reminder that with the right mindset and strategies, financial transformation is within reach. Now it's time for you to take action. Apply the techniques we discussed and start your journey toward financial empowerment today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who may benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content to support your financial growth. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.